Okay, so made it to Interlaken West after 12.5-hour flight, 2-hour train ride. We're here. Awesome. Interlaken is known as the adrenaline pumping city, second only to Grindelwald. Wow, it's very cool. Beautiful day, perfect day here. I can't wait to get out and explore. I'm just gonna take a look at the city. Wow, very cool. Looks like a big market there. All right. Okay, so we made it here, and I'm gonna head over to try to find my hotel and get out here and start exploring. I'll chat with you soon. Thanks to the help of Google Maps, I think I've located my service apartment for my stay here in Interlaken. Let me turn the camera around here for you, as you can see. Wow, looks so cool. Very cool. Interlaken apartments.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I got checked in, and I'm just so excited I had to get out here and do some exploring. But I found a company here that rents e-scooters, e-motorbikes. So I'm gonna see if I can rent one and kind of cruise around town and bring you guys with us. So let's go inside and see what we can do. Okay, so I got my scooter, got my little motorbike. Gonna go cruise around Interlaken and check it out. Hopefully I can come out of this unscathed, but it looks pretty cool. Let's go for a little cruise, and I'm excited. Let's go. Well, we completed our tour of Interlaken, and I'll tell you, I love this place. I haven't been here long, but I love it so much. It was kind of cool on the e-scooter, cruise around. We got to cruise down by the river, very scenic. We got to cruise through a park where we watched some paragliders land, and just kind of cruise downtown. Interlaken's not very big, but it's very beautiful though. And the funny thing, I was doing some filming down here on the river, and this big boat behind me pulls up, dropping off some people. I think this is the main thoroughfare out to Lake Thun. But anyways, I'm gonna take the scooter back, and then it's off to my next adventure. I'll see you soon.
Much later.
You are very lucky. Yesterday was raining all days.
Okay, quickly up on the hill above Interlaken. I'm with Lukey. He's my pilot, and we're gonna get ready to take off here and go soar above Interlaken and check out the beauty. It's just amazing up here.
Are you ready?
Let's go. It's ready.
And drop.
Yeah. All right, buddy. Thank you.
Tangled in the vines, still I rise and get to my feet. There's mountains left to climb, to new heights, a new air to breathe. I'm a brick, I'm a wall, I'm a fighter, 'cause I don't break when I fall. Yeah, I rise again. And stand up to the ones that bring me down. When they try to keep me out, I fight for what I believe. And stand up, 'cause there's nothing I can't take. I get stronger every day with the fire inside of me. I will stand up. The darkness fears the light, so it's what I keep alive, burning inside of me. Like stars we fill the night, and when we all align, our dreams become destiny. I'm a brick, I'm a wall, I'm a fighter. I don't break when I fall. Yeah, I rise again. And stand up to the ones that bring me down. When they try to keep me out, I fight for what I believe. And stand up, 'cause there's nothing I can't take. I get stronger every day with the fire inside of me. I will stand up.
go. Ah, perfect.
Beautiful. Thank you, sir.
Well done.
Okay, so we're safely back on the ground. We got a few other flyers coming in now. Awesome. It's a beautiful day, and you can see the mountains in the background there. I think he said that was the Eiger. There we go. Very nice. Nicely done. We had about a 20-minute flight. Very, very beautiful. And I just said I got a great pilot. I just couldn't ask for a better pilot. And at this point, I think we're going to close out the video. I hope you enjoyed everything I've been doing so far. Again, you see the sights of Interlaken. And there's more adventures here to do, and then we will carry on in our trip. So if you liked the video, please pound that like button. It'd be awesome if you subscribe, leave some comments down below. And until next time, stay safe and live now. Woohoo!